Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. I want to introduce to you our new Galeon 435 HTC. For those of you who aren't familiar with the Galeon, they're built in Poland and they've been in business over 35 years, employ about 1,200 employees. We took on the product line in 2016 to focus on a premium product like we do with our azimuths as well as our Sea Rays, Boston Whalers, and other products. But these things have just been beautiful, beautiful boats, very well recepted. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. I'll point out some of the high points. So the biggest thing you'll see on this one, you have a ton of natural lighting with the windows, very sweeping lines. I'll point out some of the options too. This one does have your sun pad on the front. So let's walk around to the side. Now on the back on this one does have your optional hydraulic swim platforms. If you want to come on in, you can. And you'll find a lot of features on this boat that you don't find until you hit most other manufacturers' 50, 60 foot models. For starters, you've got your spoiler back here, gives you a lot of shade. Big, beautiful doors. If you notice, all stainless steel construction. To back up a little bit, this one's powered by Volvo. These are V drives, D6, 435 horsepower with a bow thruster. In the back here, all of this TQC here was actually milled at the factory in Poland. This rolls out and makes into a sun pad. You can get to the bow from the port or the starboard side. So very high rails all the way around. So let's go inside and I'll show you some of the cool things in here. So as you can see, this particular one is high gloss right here of your walnut, but the fit and finish and quality of the woodwork, of all the upholstery, of the suede, all the stitching, just magnificent. So very, very nice layout right here. At the helm, you've got very good visibility, and they do a couple cool things too. Even your windows right here on both sides can go down on your port side and your starboard side. It has a beautiful sunroof right here that opens up. So if you do want a little bit more sun, that thing just comes back right there. So once again, very functional, very sporty. Tremendous amount of headroom all the way around. This is going to be digital throttle and shift right here with your bow thruster. Volvo Pinto, of course, that we mentioned before, Raymarine GPS chart plotter with the autopilot. One thing I really like about the boat's the visibility. When you're docking this boat, when you're backing in, you can see where your stern is. You can see everything all the way around you. So this boat is a 2-stateroom, 2-head design. Beautiful galley right here. So your guest stateroom is going to be in our starboard side right here. We have your 2 bunk beds. There's a filler cushion that goes inside there. You can take a look if you'd like. And the woodwork on these are just amazing. Very, very high quality. This is going to be your day head right here. All stainless steel construction inside here. Just gorgeous. You also have a shower. This is your master stateroom. So this is an island style bed right here. You have tremendous amount of storage. Everything's easy to get to. Beautiful skylights. So as you notice, it's a nice airy feeling when you go down in here because of all the natural lighting. On this side, if you want to step this way, this one also has a separate shower and head. A lot of manufacturers, you have to go to some of the larger boats to get that. So 2 stateroom, 2 heads. So this is the ideal boat for taking an extended weekend, heading down to the Keys, going to the Bahamas. So to recap, 2019 Galeon 435 HTC, located at MarineMax in Venice. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. I work here at MarineMax in Venice. The number at the store is 941-485-3388. But I highly recommend coming in and check it out for yourself. Thanks for taking the time. We'll talk to you soon.